So this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna put the big curtain back on. But before we do, we gotta put the curtain rod back. But before I do that, I'm gonna start bringing the white wall, at least into the kitchen area, around the door, the driver and passenger door. There's like a spot right there, basically where that ends, the rod, and then also on the passenger side. And then the entrance, the battery box, I'm gonna end up doing it separately, but for now I'm gonna just do it like that. And then we painted it originally the blue, but it ended up being too dark in here. It's like a navy blue, but the navy blue decided to be too dark, so I'd rather just have the hallway wall be the navy blue, and the rest I'm gonna do with the white. So yeah, that's what we do today. And then after this gets painted, we're gonna put the curtain rod back, and then we're gonna put the big curtain. And that's gonna be just today's simple project. Something simple, and you know. But at least we're gonna start doing the wall. But we're gonna stop at that curtain rod right there, and then the rest is gonna be the material from basically where that string is holding it. From there on, we're gonna caulk, the window or whatever. I mean, caulk the material to that original wall. So yeah, we're gonna stop painting this today. I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna start doing it today. Okay, so I don't go too crazy, but this is pretty much what's gonna end up looking like. I had to go just where that curtain rod is, but I ended up doing the driver's side. Also did the passenger side, and then right there, that control box. I'm gonna end up I'm gonna do that separately. All right, so right now I'm just gonna go get a coffee, have this dry, remove the tape, and then put the curtain rod. Okay, so finally finished painting the wall. That's what it basically is gonna look like. I was more concerned up to that curve of the door, but I did all the way up to the rod. I even go a little bit more just when I end up going outside, and when you walk in, I want to see how it looks like, pretty much like an idea with the wall. But the curtain rod is there. I will take off the curtain rod to basically to spray paint it, but I'm gonna do that next year. I also did this. This is just like a temporary one. Technically, I'm gonna buy actually an RV one. This is a car one, so I gotta order the RV ones. And basically now the sun doesn't go into the camper because it gets hot in here. Like the late end of summer, it gets really hot in here. So now basically this helps for basically cool everything down. So yeah, now we're ready for the curtain. Alright, so before I put the curtain, I'm gonna give this a quick clean. Make sure there's no paint or nothing on it. So I'm gonna clean all the appliances, and I'll go back to the curtain. This is a stainless steel sponge, so don't worry. It's made for it. Alright, so this is, like I said, it's a car one, so I need to get an RV one. So basically, got it all wrapping it all around, just to prevent the sun from, baking the freaking interior of it. And now we put in the curtain. So basically this door goes like this. I gotta do something over here, so don't mind the tape over there. And it goes like that, it connects like this. Obviously gotta paint that, because sand it down, paint it. This has the door that goes like this. Actually, that don't belong like that. The screen door. Right now the mini blind's up, but you can also shut the mini blind down. I shut it down when I close the door and lock it. But for now, when I'm inside, I have the mini blind up. Not gonna show the interior yet because we're putting the curtain right now, so we got half done. So yeah, Yeah, it's hot in here. We have to leave because it's starting to get too hot in here. We're gonna put this side, and then basically we're gonna I'll show you, demonstrate everything when we're done. Look at this. Last video I showed the radio. Give one good glimpse. How we did the front. I'm gonna do the same with the back. We're gonna glue that, and that's basically as we walk towards the front. That's how I have the kitchen right now. Next video, I'm gonna figure out these curtains. Cause I had to upgrade the mini blind, and then we got this. The bags are coming off eventually. But yeah, the white wall started. I got these for the mosquitoes. So once the white wall, so we stop right there because that's what it's gonna look like with the white wall. But then as we go this way, let's go down this way. As we walk in, so I think that the white wall is better. Look at that. Alright, I just gotta do around that cabinet right there. But yeah, with the radio. I know, like I said, the divider. Now you got privacy in the back room. And also now in the kitchen area, there's also privacy as well. Because now if you actually close, fish up puerta. Now if you close the mini blind, which is also gonna be a new one, shade or whatever you want to call this thing, a shade. Alright, you got all the privacy in the world. Closed. 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 TV, you already have the TV on. And then that. And that's what it looks like. I got more hinges over there, like I said, more hinges right there. But yeah, looking good. Alright, stay tuned to the next video. Got more coming. Oh yeah, and I actually forgot. This does go down too. So technically this is another hold on. You could put a mattress here. But I think it's better for like storage, just more storage. Alright, that's the video. Alright, stay tuned for the next video.